Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a line chart in Microsoft PowerPoint. A line chart basically displays the visualizations in the form of a line. Line charts are often used in the industry and it is very easy to use and understand. There are many types of line charts that PowerPoint has inbuilt, and the way to make them on PowerPoint is by clicking on the Insert Chart dialog box. So click on Insert, then click on Chart to bring up the Insert Chart dialog box. On the left hand side, choose Line and you will find various types of line charts that are available on the right hand side of the box. I will choose the first line chart and then select OK. The line chart will open up in the slide with some sample data pre-filled in the Excel add-in. You can see that sample data is already pre-filled in the PowerPoint interface. This sample data will not do for most of us, as more often we will be working with our own data to make our own custom chart. We have to enter the data that we need in our work and not the sample data. So I have the data in my own separate Excel file and I will use it to create our own line chart. In this data set, I have the yearly performance of 3 teams. I will select the entire data and copy paste it into the PowerPoint Excel interface. You can see that the line chart has been created. We can customize the chart elements like the title, axis titles, etc. I will change the title of the x-axis and y-axis, display the data labels. I'll also show you how you can choose various color themes. You can change the style of the line chart and it will give you a preview of the visual right from the menu itself. There are many other chart options like stack line chart. After you select it, you can change it to the dark theme. Apart from the stack line chart, there is a 100% stack line chart. You can continue to change various chart types to see all the options that are available in PowerPoint. You can change the chart elements and display the data table too. There is also a 3D line chart option and it looks quite good. In this case, let me specifically show you the dark theme for our presentation. You can choose the other line chart types like the 100% stack line chart. There are many other chart options like line chart with markers. There are in fact many other options that are available in PowerPoint which you can change as per your liking. I'll show you one by one how it would look. You can continue to play around with various chart types and choose the one that is best suited to your work. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos and please subscribe to my channel.